Nanny Julie, nice to see you. Today we're gonna draw a cute crocodile. You can ask your parents to download and print a free coloring page with animals of Africa. The link to coloring page in the description under the video. Don't forget to subscribe my channel, Nanny Julie, and you won't miss my new lessons. Today we will need any paper, a pencil, an eraser, and something with which you will color. Now let's look at the picture. Our crocodile has a head, an eyes, long snout, nose, body, paws, tail, and belly. Let's look at the picture one more time. Head, eyes, long snout, nose, body, paws, tail, and belly. Okay, let's start drawing. The first step we're gonna draw is the head. Choose spot on your paper you like. I will start over here at the top of the paper. We're gonna draw a horizontal line. Then small arc. Short horizontal line and an arc that's slightly larger than the first. Now we're gonna draw the long snout and nose. Draw a very small arc on the left side. Very short horizontal line and the same arc. Good job, you're doing great! Then two long curves. The first and the second. And small stroke here for cute smile. Now let's draw its body. Two vertical lines. The first and the second. Then draw legs. Two small arcs on the left side. Let's count. 1, 2, 3. And the same thing on the right side. Let's count. 1, 2, 3. Now we're gonna draw the belly. We connect the paws with a straight line. Then draw an upside down U shape over here. I start over here near the paw. Go up, curve right, and go down. Okay, good job. Take your time. Don't rush. Pause the video and continue when you are ready. Then let's draw 6 straight horizontal lines inside the belly. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now let's draw another pause. Sidewise G shape and 2 U shape on the right side. G shape and 2 U shapes. 1, 2. And the same thing on the left side. Sideways G shape and 2 U shapes. Now let's draw eyes. 2 owls over here. The first and the second. Okay, that's right. Keep on trying. Our crocodile has roses in its cheeks. Draw C shape on the right side and U shape on the left side. Now it's time to draw the tail. Draw a big C shape on the right side. and connect it with the body. Okay, and now let's add the lumps and bumps on a crocodile back that's called scutes. Draw 7 sideways V-shapes over here. 3 on the right bottom. 1, 2, 3. And 4 inside the tail. 1, 2, 3, 4. Wow, you drew your crocodile so well. I like it. You can ask your parents to share your finished masterpiece to Instagram or Facebook. Take me in a photo, Nanny Julie. Now let's color it together. You can choose any color you like. I use pink for blush. Try to stay inside the lines. If it's hard for you, it's okay. Don't give up. Keep on trying. You can do it. Green for head, body and paw. If you missed a spot, fill in it with color. And all colors of rainbow for belly and scutes. Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, and violet. Wow, you did awesome on coloring and drawing crocodile. You can be super proud of your drawing. I hope you had a lot of fun coloring and drawing with me. Try my other videos, YouTube channel, Nanny Julie. Love you. Bye bye.